Alright, so in this video I'll show you how to track your USCIS application online in 2026. If you've submitted a form and want to see updates, this is the easiest way to stay informed. Yeah, so let's go step by step. First, open your browser and go to the official website of the U.S. Citizenship and Immigration Services. Make sure you're using the official site for accurate updates. Now on the homepage, look for the Check Case Status option and click on it. This will take you to the tracking page. Next, you'll need your receipt number. This is a unique number you received after submitting your application. It usually starts with 3 letters followed by numbers. Now carefully enter your receipt number into the search box. Make sure there are no mistakes or extra spaces. After that, click on the Check Status button. The system will show your latest case update. You will now see your current application status, such as received, actively being reviewed, request for evidence, or decision made. If you want more detailed tracking, you can also sign into your USCIS online account. This gives you full access to case history and notifications. You may also receive email or text updates if you enable notifications during your application process. And that's it. Now you know how to track your USCIS application online quickly and easily. If this video helped you, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more simple guides like this. I'll see you in the next one.